friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you a DIY yogurt hair mask that reduce your hair fall and get a silky and shiny hair also. So let's start. At first I take yogurt. This is my yogurt this is my yogurt hair mask, and then I take honey and coconut oil. So basically these three ingredients I need to make my hair mask, and let's start. At first I take yogurt. This time you take your yogurt portion as you need, because I don't know how long your hair. So I take 2 spoons of yogurt. Then I take coconut oil 2 spoons. And then at last I take honey 2 tablespoons. And now mix it and make a good thick consistency. I used here yogurt because the yogurt has a lactic acid that reduces our hair fall and dandruff problem, and also itching problem, and also gets our hair shiny and softer. And then I used here in coconut oil that nourish our hair and also remove our damaged hair and hair fall. Oil is very good for our hair and hair scalp. And then honey is also helpful to moisturize our hair and our skins. So these three ingredients is naturally best ingredients of our hair. Friends, look, this is my hair mask, and now I tell you how to apply this hair mask. At first you take an old hair towel to cover your body, because this is so much messy when you apply your hair. And now at first take a brush and brush your hair smoothly, because you need to blood circulation maintain carefully and properly. And then apply it on your using your hair hand or your old makeup brush or any type of brush, and then apply it on your hair scalp, and then leave it 30 minutes to dry it. After 30 minutes later, just wash it with normal water with shampoo and conditioner. Friends, use this hair mask 2 times in a week, because this hair mask is super natural, multi-purpose usable in a hair mask to reduce your hair fall, your get a silky hair that you need in naturally, and also itching problem, dandruff problem reduced. So use this hair mask. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.